Hello, welcome to another Arrive Math overview of a game. So we're going to overview Multiplication Jumble. This is a great game for multiplication review, and it's fun, and I really think the students would like it. It's also got a really easy setup. All you need are the jumble cards, and you just need one set per group of students playing. So if I look in the resource guide, I can see that I need the cards from page 74. And there they are. I just gone ahead and copied all of these cards and cut them out. You might want to laminate them or put them on cardstock because this game can be played again and again as the students won't be writing on the cards. I also have 15 counters. They come in the little bags that look like this in your Arrive Math kit. And I have put them in the middle of the game playing area. Also, it recommends a piece of paper and pencil so the students can write their work down. So I have one over here. It recommends a paper bag, but I went ahead and put mine in this little black backpack. So the way the game will begin is each student will reach into the bag and draw out 5 cards. So I'm going to pick 5 cards. I'm not going to look at them yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then any extras you put back in the bag. So kids need to get out 5 cards. So what the students will do is they're going to look at their 5 cards. And if they can take any 2 of these numbers and multiply them together and make another number, they can make an equation. So here you see I can't. I'm going to pick a few. So this time you can pick a few to go back. So let's say I want to put back a 5 and a 24 since they're repeats. So I'll try not to draw them again. So I'm going to put them to the side, and I'm going to draw 2 more cards to take their place. I drew a 4. And a 6. Okay. So I did kind of pick those to make this move along a little faster. All right, so for this one, I can multiply 4 times 6 and give me 24. So I'm going to put this out in front of the group. And I'm going to write down on my paper 4 times 6 equals 24. Now you may want to have a teacher or another group member check with maybe a multiplication chart. If I get this correct, then I get 1 counter for each one I've got correct. So there were 3 in this one. So as a player, I get to keep 3 counters. The next person will go and have their turn. And you get counters for each number that you use. So if students make much longer, let's say 6 times 5 times 4, if they're able to make a much larger multiplication fact with the numbers that are in the on the cards, then they would actually get 4 points for that. So it's a pretty fun review game. A couple ways to vary it according to this book, but there's really one way, is to just have a bank of extra cards over here. So if the students want to trade one in, they can trade one in. I'd also say put some blank cards in there and make them wild cards and have the students tell you what number would go on those cards. Also great for early algebra skills. So I hope you enjoy playing Multiplication Jumble. It would make a great warm-up for some classes or a great review game to play really quickly in your classroom. Enjoy!